Howdy folks, I like to make a movie again about abiogenesis and evolution, or the hypothetical theories, both hypothetical theories, how they are linked, to explain it, and in this case I hope that the sound is better. The last previous movie, the sound was not so good, although the quality of the graphs was better. I used a better camera, but the sound of the camera was not so good. So I have a new phone, another phone, and I try to explain it with better sound this time, I hope. But I'm going to explain it again. There is a good reason why to do so. Last I saw that that NASA is planning to send a spaceship or something like a moon lander or for Europe, one of the moons of, I think is Jupiter, and to let such a moon lander or Jupiter Europa lander land on that planet and looking for life, specifically for life. They want to make such a lander specifically to look for signs of life. Well, from secular point of view, I can understand that. The thing is, from secular point of view, I don't understand that. I also don't understand it. Why? Because what I'm going to show you in a moment is never, ever, ever scientifically proven to be correct. So what people are doing is so there's from one point of view I understand it, from the other point of view I don't understand it. The problem is with it is that there are billions, literally billions and billions of dollars that are going to be invested in such an undertaking, and sorry, but it's a waste of money. The thing is, the whole process, what I will explain in a moment, has never ever been proven to be correct. So, and this is the basis of why they want to go looking for life on, in this case, the planet Europe. So actually, basically, I can predict right now already, even before the whole thing is being built, because it is going to be built, launched in 2020 or 25th or 25 or something like that, and so there's a lot of time ahead. But let me tell you, it's a waste of good money. With that same money, people can be helped here on Earth, where life is to be proven to be present. People can invest in environmental issues, etc., etc., to sustain our lives, etc. But no, instead NASA wants to invest billions of dollars, tax dollars, and that's outrageous. That's what I get a little bit angry about, is building a rocket for actually basically something that has never been proven to be correct in the first place. And so it's a waste of money. They will not find life over there, because the whole process, what I'm going to explain you in a moment, has not been proven to be scientifically correct. There is no peer review article that can state that this whole process, what I'm going to describe in a moment, has been proven to be scientifically correct and repeated by repeating it. Nobody has done that. It's not possible to do it, because it's the whole idea behind this is so enormous complex. You cannot do that. It suggests that life is nothing more than a chemical experiment. I'm sorry, folks, that's not reality. That's not scientific fact. It's a science fiction. And based on that science fiction, they want to waste billions of dollars. I want to make a point of stopping that madness, because it's simply idiocy. Sorry, I have no other word for it. It's a waste of good money, and with that same money you can help life here on Earth, which is to be proven to be existing. And people need a lot of help. A lot of people are in poor status, and the environment is in poor status. And we can invest money on that issue instead of wasting billions of dollars for a rocket that does not prove anything. Okay, I'm talking about the abiogenesis-evolution thing again. Yeah, again. So, and I'm going to show you why these two are linked and why they cannot both be true. They are not true. They're false. Scientifically, they are not valid. And I'm going to show you why. Here it is. Well, I showed it to you before, but then on paper, but without good sound. And now I hope to have good sound. Here it's about the hypothetical abiogenesis, and here it's on the other side is the hypothetical evolution. The abiogenesis is assuming, which has never been proven, only partially, that some kind of elementary components like ammonia, carbon dioxide, water, H2S, sulfuric acid, phosphates, etc., can turn with the input of energy to amino acids. That has been proven. That's true. Fatty acids, that has been proven. Sugars, I doubt it if it's proven. RNA, DNA, etc., and so on. So that these components with the input of energy can convert to these kind of components. Well, partially that is true. For amino acids, that has been proven. That's correct. That's the famous Urey Miller experiment. Fatty acids, I think that has been proven by Fox or something like that. Partially of this may be done. That's correct. That's scientifically correct. Also, the theory suggests that based on this, micels have been formed, and from those micels that precells and living cells have been formed. Well, it's a very long way, a very long distance to go from amino acids, fatty acids, sugars, RNA, DNA, lipids to living cells. This step has never been proven to be correct. These steps are wrong. This is partially right. This is partially correct. This step from chemicals to building blocks of life is partially correct. The next step is not correct. That these building blocks, a building block is nothing more than a building block. A building block, an amino acid, is not a living cell. This distance is way too large to bridge the gap, and this step has never been proven. This step is purely hypothetical and has never to be proven correct and never will be proven, because a living cell as we know them is so much more complex than we can put some building blocks together and hustle a little bit and expecting to get living cells. This process has never been proven to be correct. And it will not be, because life, a living cell, is way much too complex to get it done by pure coincidence. Well, if you cannot make living cells, then here is the essential step between abiogenesis and evolution. If this cannot be true, if this has never been proven, if this is not be proven, then this is not valid as well. So you don't have living cells to evolve, because this is the hypothetical theory of evolution. Yes, variation has been proven that dogs can give offspring with different types of dogs. I agree. Variation has never been a problem for creationists. Evolution, however, from a dog to an elephant, or from a dog to a dog with wings, or a dog with an umbrella tail to protect himself from the rain, has never been proven. A dog with chlorophyll has never been proven correct. That would be evolution, because it's additional DNA genetical information. That has never been proven. The opposite has been proven, the degeneration of DNA. That has been proven. The DNA structure, which holds the information of how an organism should look like and behave like, etc., 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 the degradation of DNA. That has been proven, but that's the opposite of evolution, what evolution is proposing. Evolution is proposing an increase in genetic information, and that has never, ever been proven. So this whole process is also theoretical. But since this is a hypothetical process, there are no living cells according to this process. So therefore, you have nothing to start with in the hypothetical evolution. So the whole process of evolution has never been proven, but also the first living cell to come about by chemical process has never been proven. So there is no such a thing as a link between this. There is no. This is bullshit. This is total crap. This has never been proven. This has never been proven. This is only partially be proven. And this process from this to this, yes, this has been proven partially, only for a part, but nothing more. And that is scientifically correct, what I'm saying now. This has never been proven. Yes, Micels maybe, but nothing, not further. Micels is what you get if you add soap to water. I can create Micels when I wash the dishes. That's what the micelle is. A micelle is nothing more than oil, and in water, and with a soap molecule. And a soap molecule in general looks like this. C-O-O. If you take a very simple molecule, it's a very simple. And actually it can go on for C18. This is a tail. So, and this is the tail. This little stripe is the tail, and this dissolves in water. This dissolves in the oil, and then you can get a micelle. This is a micelle. If you make this very known in the colloid chemistry and in soap chemistry. This is a micelle. This has been proven up to so far, but beyond that, it has never been proven to go from micelle to a living cell. So this thing is baloney. So that means that if there is no fundament for evolution, then there is no evolution as well. This has never been true. Even the hypothetical process of evolution has not even been proven. Why not? Because it suggests genetic improvement, and the only thing that has been proven is the breaking down of DNA and not the improvement of DNA. That has been proven. So that's why both are hypothetical. This is hypothetical, and both they make no sense, no scientific sense. But we are here, and how did we get here? Yes, God did it. The good old God did it, and God loves you. But you need Jesus to get in favor with God, and this is total crap. This is total bullshit. This never has happened. It's purely hypothetical, and it's never been proven to be scientifically correct. You will never find a paper where chemicals have been turned into living cells and living cells into higher organisms. You will never find a scientific paper about that. Okay, this is one I wanted to share. I hope this time the sound is well good. It is good, and I hope you enjoy it. Hope you learn something, because this is the truth about it, the whole thing. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Hasta la vista.